Asa, what are you doing? This duel is over. We won and Denji is gone. Let us retreat before we get swarmed by devils.
Fuck you, Yuru. I'm sick of your stupid duel. I already lost everything.
Denji is the only thing I got left, and I'll save him even if it costs my life.
Damn it! I can't get control of the body, but this is not the time to argue. I need those devils out of my way. Hope this still works. Flag Spear, Michigan Sword. It's over, Asa. Move on.
No, it can't be! Denji!
落ちた。